State has been working for you to get answers about a property in Escondido where squatters have taken over. Neighbors have been complaining about it for years. CBS 8's David Gottfredson researched the property and attended a court hearing today where a judge agreed the people on the property can be evicted.
The Escondido property in the 2100 block of W El Norte Parkway has been owned by the Department of Housing and Urban Development for the past 8 months after it fell into foreclosure in September. About 12 people are living on the property, both inside the house and in several RVs parked on the land.
This is a foreclosure action.
Andrew Pomerantz, an attorney representing HUD, asked the San Diego judge to evict the people living there illegally.
My client is waiving all monetary amounts in this action. We only seek to recover possession of the premises.
Neighbors have been complaining about squatters on the property since 2019, when the previous owner passed away.
It's a beautiful neighborhood, and it was beautiful until these people kind of came in and took over. Now it's next to impossible to get them out.
Neighbors finally contacted CBS 8 asking for help. After a bit of research, I found these court records showing the stepdaughter of the deceased owner was still living in the house. Terry Bearer had filed a response in court saying tenants on the property were seeking pandemic rental assistance.
Plaintiffs awarded immediate possession of the property.
Even so, none of the residents showed up for the eviction court hearing.
The Secretary of HUD prevailed, and the court awarded us a judgment in our favor, a judgment for possession of the premises.
The HUD attorney told me it should take about a month for the sheriff's department to show up and evict people on the property. Then a few more months for the property to be sold.
I would think that it would probably, go to market and hopefully sell rather quickly. I mean, obviously there may be some repair work that needs to be done. It'll then have to go to a realtor to market it, and then yes, probably in light of the hot market, the property should move and hopefully sell rather quickly.
Now, City of Escondido code enforcement officers have been to the property trying to get it cleaned up. I reached out to some of the people currently living on that property, but so far I have not heard back.
David, is this court case over now, or is there a possibility of an appeal?
The current residents could file an appeal to this decision, but not in Superior Court. They would have to file that appeal in the California Court of Appeals, and they only have 5 days to file an appeal.
We'll be on top of this and see what happens and whether or not those squatters will finally be out of that property. Thanks so much, David.